Oj k video mine op dek rehi hain ek isa mobile phone jo surf ek device nahi bake yadan ka ek porador hi. J's high is orange color k Nokia slider phone par nazar party high. Dilkud ba kudus whacked mine chala jata high jab phone simple thay, strong thay, our surf com k liye hote thay. Ye phone unlogon k liye high jo oj be reliability, solid build our long life co value dite hain. Is phone ka design sab se pella attention grab karta high. Premium orange body, smooth finishing our strong frame is bot ka proof high k Nokia ne hamisha quality par compromise nahi kia. Slider mechanism bohat smooth high, hoth mine pakart high ek confidence feel hodi high k ye phone gurn se gabrata nahi. Front side par classic keypad dia gaya high jo typing k liye bohat comfortable high. Buttons ka press solid high our response bilkul accurate milta high. Display simple high lekin clear high. Indoor or outdoor dono jaga content easily readable reda high. Ye phone flashy graphics k liye nahi bake practical daily use k liye banaya gaya high. Call karna, SMS bejna, contacts use karna, sab kuch fast our smooth high, bina kisi lag k. Backside par camera module dia gaya high jo basic photography k liye perfect high. Ye phone DSLR say compare nahi karda, lekin jo com as say liya jata high, as mine ye bilkul fit bath to high. Casual photos, documents ya quick shots k liye camera ka output coffee decent high. Is video mine op accessories be dek rehi hain jo as phone k soft compatible hain. USB charging cable. Adapters our external modules is bot ko show kart hain k ye phone surf ek simple device nahi bake multi-purpose usability offer karta high. Charging port strong high, cable tight fit hodi high our long-term use k liye reliable feel hodi high. Battery life is phone ka ek our strong point high. Jahan oj k smartphones din mine dudafa charge mongte hain, wahin ye Nokia phone ek charge par dinan chal jata high. Calls, messages our basic usage k liye battery performance impressive high. Ye phone unlogon k liye best high jo business use, secondary phone ya digital detox chot hain. Sound quality loud our clear high. Call k doran awaz crisp reti high, speaker volume be coffee strong high jo noisy environment mine be calm ajata high. Ye phone boozer logon, students our unusers k liye ideal high jo surf zerori chizain chot hain. Overall agar hum is phone ko dekine, to ye surf ek retro device nahi bake Nokia key legacy ka ek zinda example high. Simple software, tough body, long battery our dependable performance, ye sab qualities as phone ko oj be relevant banati hain. Agar op flashy smartphones say thak chake hain, ya ek isa phone chot hain jo surf phone ho, distractions k bag hair, to ye Nokia slider phone op k liye perfect choice ho sakta high. Video ko en talk dekna ka shukriya. Agar op ko classic phones pasand hain, Nokia ki nostalgia feel hodi high, to like zaror karain, channel ko subscribe karain our comment mine batayan k op ne pela Nokia phone konsa use kiada.